I hate it when I do that. Sorry about that. All right, should be good now. I hate it when I do that. Okay, so as I was saying, but you couldn't hear me, I saw AMC going crazy today, and I was like, hey, we need to hop on a live stream, talk about AMC, GameStop, and crypto, Bitcoin, Doge, things like that. So, hello, X4, X Canadian. Hello, everybody. So, AMC making me FOMO. Watch out. Be careful. I don't like chasing things that are up 67% on a given day. But, I mean, I would have said to not buy in at $30. So, what do I know? All I know is I have 100 shares, and I have a stop loss set in for 20% for 40 of those shares. So, all right. So we'll see. I mean, if this gets down to $48, I think I'm done with those 40 shares. Need to see here. I can't tell. But what is up, M? Bailed at 35. Ouch. Yeah. Got to check out DPI, DeFi Pulse Index. Get huge as DeFi. Okay. Not in summer. DeFi Pulse Index. That sounds like an ETF for DeFi coins. I'm sure that's not what it is, but I'm going to make a note of that. I'm just going to keep this window open here for after the live stream. So, what's a good platform to buy? AMC. Never looked into it. Webull. Don't use Robinhood. So I'm exiting Robinhood. I've probably exited about half my total position on Robinhood. And slowly but surely, I will be continuing to exit over time. So let me play some music. Bring back the good old days. Watching a stock price. And let's see. Lo-fi chilled beats. Gonna look into it. All right. Here we go. Webull doing the same as Robinhood. I just hate Robinhood. DPI is trading on Index Coop. Okay. So let's see. There's somebody I follow on Twitter. His username is... Okay, Webull halted trading on AMC. It's not Webull. Oh, well. Let me ask you this, Rudy. Are you talking about are you not allowed to buy AMC on Robinhood or on Webull? Or are you just talking about the freezes? Because there's a difference between the two. We've seen freezes happen plenty with different things, and that's not a Webull thing or a Robinhood thing. That's a market thing. So I think that's what you're talking about. Come on. Let's keep going. I do want to keep a tab open for GameStop as well, just so we can keep track with them, since can't buy into it on Robinhood or Webull. All right, you know what? I'm going to try to buy a share right now. No, Rudy, seems like you're misinformed. All right, GameStop is at 272. That's nice to see as well. They opened back up when it was at 100%. Rudy, again, I think you're talking about the freezes. I don't think you're talking about restrictions. You're talking about the freezes. So, all good. Wish I had some free Z's. Okay. I wish you did too. Not sure. Well, yesterday was kind of a boring day. Today, not so much. Today is an interesting day. Man, AMC up $38 in the past week. That's wild. $25 today. All right. Do you think crypto is bullish or bearish? Right now, I'm more bullish. I think that Bitcoin is trying to fight through this $38,000 sell wall, and once it does, that it'll go to, you know, into the 40s. And I think that's going to happen soon, within the next week or so. So, short term I'm bullish, long term I'm insanely bullish. So, yeah. Any ideas on how high AMC could spike? No idea, none. All right, so somebody who I follow on Twitter, Carlos Trades, says that this is not the short squeeze. And if he's right, then it's going to go much higher. But I have no idea. GameStop 270, man. Looking good for GameStop too. You know, it's funny, AMC was riding GameStop's tail. But now it seems like it's reversed and GameStop is riding AMC. So we'll see. Good stuff. I'm going to guess that you're all subscribers to this channel, but if not, feel free to like and subscribe. According to Wall Street Bets, they're looking at BlackBerry next. Yeah. I'm with you. I'm with you. Isn't it funny? GameStop's at $270 and nobody's paying attention to it. We would have been freaking out. Thank you, GA. We would have been freaking out in January if we saw $270 for GameStop. So, do I believe the hype that GameStop's going to pump on the 17th? I haven't heard anything about that. You know, I haven't really been paying attention to GameStop much lately. I'm trying to focus on crypto. I probably should pay more attention. But here's the thing. Yeah, it's wild. It's sitting at 270. I remember in March, there was this big day that was hyped up as like this major thing, this quadruple witching day. And Sullivan, what's up? And nothing happened. Nothing happened that day. So today, it's like, it's one of those things. It's like the 17th. Oh, 17th is another quadruple witching day, now that I think about it. And no, I don't think anything's going to happen. Thoughts on altcoins right now. All eyes are on Bitcoin. Well, here's the deal. Doge is pumping right now. It's really hot. And so what happens when Doge pumps is that other meme coins tend to follow suit. So if you're looking for really good short-term gains, I would say those meme coins, which I'm not a fan of, but Safe Moon, Safe Mars, Fox Finance, Shiba, things like that. What is a witching day? It's when quarterly options expire. So it has to do with options. And I don't even want to really necessarily talk about it. Just it's when, you know, there's weekly options, there's monthly options, there's quarterly options, and then there's a day every 3 months when they all line up together as expiring. So that's coming up. Is that the 17th? I think it is the 17th, yeah. So, well, it would be fun if something crazy happened other than the craziness that's already happened with AMC today. We will see. So we will see. Ghostface News meme coin. BitBoy Crypto's getting into it. Okay. I'm kind of staying away from all the newest meme coins myself, but you know, if BitBoy Crypto's getting into it, well, if he is getting into it, it's probably already pumped because of his followers, but I don't know. Ghostface. Oh, he mentioned it. Okay. All right. Hey, man. Thank you, GA. Really appreciate it. Investing into things. Yeah, thanks again, GA. Started to focus on investing in things with utility in the crypto. Like what? What do you mean, M? I'm very curious. Crypto space. This is interesting with AMC because they had that ladder attack after the freeze. And $60, and now it's bouncing right back up. GME did not do that, so thank you so much, Sullivan. Yeah, definitely. If you want to support the cause, I'm trying to pay money for Glassnode analysis, which will only be to your benefit if you're in crypto. So, okay, Uniswap is an example. Yeah, Uniswap. I'm very bullish on Uniswap over this next month or so, because of EIP 1559 launching. Like, I don't use Uniswap because of the high gas fees with Ethereum. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. A lot of things being built on DeFi. I love DeFi. I just love it. How can we join Patreon? Look up on patreon.com. Look up World War Bitcoin, and you'll see the different levels there. So you can get in as low as $2.99 a month. I post regular updates. I'm on kind of a vacation right now, so I haven't been posting as many updates lately. I'm on a workcation, but you know, I try to post updates every day. Exclusive content for patrons. Bullish on VeChain, yes. I really like VeChain. It's one of my top favorite cryptos, top 5 or so. I believe it's going to $1 this cycle. So, thanks a lot, GA. Really focused on things that are being used, showing some sort of legitimacy. Yeah, me too. All right, DPI. That's why DPI is intriguing. Yeah, I mean, that's what it sounds. It definitely sounds intriguing. So, yeah, what do I think this week is looking like? If you're talking about crypto, AJ, I'm pretty bullish, you know, for the short term. I think the worst is behind us. I just do think it's going to be a slow and steady recovery. So, we'll see. Bitcoin is trying to work through the $38,000 barrier right now. There were a lot of sell orders at that point, and a lot of those have been filled. So I'm wondering, you know, after $38,000, I could see it going to around the $42,000 range. I think there's going to be some heavy resistance there. And so all other cryptos are going to do something similar. They're going to follow Bitcoin's lead. So, well, AMC's flirting with 60. Got to check out my baby GameStop at 275. Shot up to 285 at one point. That's so funny. Nobody cares that GameStop's at 275. It's like, yawn. But AMC at $60, that's wild. So keep going, AMC. I want some action. Hopped on this live stream so that we could see AMC shoot to the moon. Laylo, what's up? It's been a while. Only up 10% GME? Oh, yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. I thought you were saying you were only up 10%. Yeah, seriously, come on, GameStop. Don't let AMC take some of your shine. I still have my GameStop shares. When will I sell? I don't know, maybe... Probably not $1,000, but here we go. Yeah, that is a concern, Rudy. That's a concern of mine right now. Volume's light. I was hoping that volume would go higher. Let's see at the bottom of this. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at a 5-minute chart right now. That's not really going to tell me much. Let me look at a 4-hour chart. That puts us, 6 hours. I'll do 12-hour chart. So lots of sell volume. Oh my goodness, come on. Take me to the bottom of the page. Yeah, oh man. Look at the volume here compared to even just a couple months ago. That is very low volume. Oh, hey, AMC. So I have a 20% stop loss. So the higher this goes, the higher my stop loss goes for only 40 of my shares. I now have 101 shares because I just wanted to test buy one. So this is wild. This is crazy. Seriously, this isn't a squeeze? All right, Carlos Trades. I'm going to go to Carlos Trades on Twitter. How is this not the squeeze? Wow, man, 67. All right, he hasn't posted in 36 minutes. Hey, that one share by yeah, I see you. I wonder if he replied to anyone. Probably not. Yeah. This is who I go to for AMC and GameStop news. Mostly AMC news. Carlos Trades at Rockstar_stocks. GameStop. Boring. Come on, GameStop. Man, where are we going? Alright, Doge volume. Hoping Doge volume spikes when Coinbase Pro goes live. Yeah, that would be nice. Holding since 5 cents. Awesome. Yeah, I regrettably sold most of my Doge. I bought at 0.3 of a cent. And then I sold a decent amount of it at an unfortunate price. It's still an amazing return. But I got a little nervous. And I don't like Doge. So, is it too late to buy into AMC? You know, my number one rule of investing... I'll give you... I'm not going to say yes or no. My number one rule of investing is don't chase a green candle. You are more likely to get burned chasing a green candle than you are to be successful. With that being said, this guy Carlos Trades on Twitter would say that it's not too late to buy AMC. So do what you got to do. Maybe buy some and put like a stop loss in, just in case. 20% stop loss, and don't buy more than you can afford to lose. Do I know Poodle? Yeah, I've made a couple videos on Poodle. And again, yeah, meme coins tend to do well when Dogecoin does well. So Dogecoin's up a decent amount today. $70. Here we go. In some cases, it's okay. Yeah. So probably a sell wall at $70. We're probably going to hit that. Oh, never mind. Just cut through $70 like butter. This is crazy, man. What in the world? There should have been a sell wall at $70. It just like cut through that thing. I bought a share at $57. I have 101 shares now. I bought a share at $57 like 20 minutes ago. Wild, man. Wild stuff. I feel like maybe I should get a weekly. That's probably pushing it. I'm going to check out options here. Buy a call that expires today. Get away. Go away. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. All right, this is really interesting. Guys, we might be in for a gamma squeeze coming up here. Wait a second. The share price is down to 65 right now. All right, I'm going to go back, but if we get over $73, you're going to see a lot of aggressive purchasing happening. So you'll see a gamma squeeze in real time. That's going to be wild. Come on, get over 73. I don't subscribe to Market Cypher. Some people have been telling me I really need to get in on that. $73. All eyes are on you, 73. Come on, gamma squeeze. All right, and Bitcoin again is having trouble breaking through 38. There was a pretty big sell wall there. All eyes are on Bitcoin with crypto. Going to squeeze through there. So maybe there was a sell wall at 70 for AMC. Because that would have been way too easy. That was way too easy for it to cut through that. I'm going to see if Carlos has any new updates. All right. Nothing crazy. AMC running again. Here we go. Regardless, where do we go? Do not sell stuff. All right. Well, Rudy, you tell me. Yeah, $5 AMC shares. So, is Market Cypher similar to Glassnode? Because I like Glassnode because it gives me just data. From what I understand about Market Cypher, it's like charts, different types of charts with different technicals. Whereas Glassnode is more like, here's on-chain analytics. Here's a motherload of on-chain analytics. Things like how much money has been transferred onto Coinbase or Binance, things like that. So it seems like it's different things, but I don't know enough about Market Cypher to make that judgment. So I'm asking to know. I really am just... Okay, all right. Yeah, I think they're two very different things. So Glassnode... I'm much less of a technical analysis guy. I do technical analysis. I use it, but I don't rely on it as much as some people do. My big frustration with people in cryptocurrency is that they're 100% technical analysis, and they use that to inform everything. And they don't use that things like the things that I look at, like Glassnode chart analysis. A lot of them don't even know what Glassnode is. And so I would say I rely about 30% on technical analysis, whereas there's lots of people who rely 100% on it. And I think that causes them to say and do things that are very illogical. So, yeah, you're welcome. So again, for those of you who are here, $73 is a pretty significant number because that's the highest for AMC. That is the highest priced option available. So if we get past $73, there's going to be some major purchasing of shares by the people who have sold those options. So Bukat mentioned my TikTok Uniswap link. Theta will explode because of something. I missed that part. Yeah, sure. EIP 1559. When Ethereum launches EIP 1559, a lot of Ethereum-based tokens are going to benefit from that. So what's going to happen is, so for example, there are a couple things that I hate about Ethereum right now. One is their high gas fees. Their fees are insane. Like, I once tried buying $1,000 of a cryptocurrency, and I would have had to have paid $100 in fees. I'm just not willing to do that. So those gas fees are going to be greatly reduced. And so something like Uniswap is going to benefit from that, because I don't use Uniswap very much because of the gas fees. So the amount of transactions that are going to be done on Uniswap, I think, are going to increase significantly. So things like Chainlink, Uniswap, Theta, Aave, Matic, those are all going to benefit from EIP 1559. Hollow, and then coins that just generally cost a lot to purchase, to get into because of those high gas fees. Like Hollow, I think those are just going to shoot up higher. So that is all about EIP 1559. Okay, so $64 for AMC. Highest I saw was 71. There was at some point, I think, a pretty big sell wall. I would have thought $70. I am very strongly rooting for $73. EIP 1559 will launch in July. When it launched, yeah, July. Yep. I'd like to see the 1% richer holders on Glassnode. And what I saw is whales are still holding and also buying more. Absolutely, Scott. Yeah, I try to. So there's some people I follow on Twitter who have access to that level 3 data. So they're paying $800 a month for it, which I'm just not able or willing to do right now. But, you know, once my income, my total income from this channel and from TikTok, I don't make money on TikTok, but from Patreon, from things like that, once it reaches $3,000, I'll pay $800 a month. I'm semi-retired. I make money other ways, but that's my goal, is $300 or $3,000 a month. I'll be willing to pay $800 for that information, which then I'll be able to not just steal stuff from Twitter, but actually go on whenever I want to get that information. Oh man, I might be close to triggering a sell order. Oh man, I'm really close to that 20%. I have a 20% stop loss in for 40 shares of AMC. It looks like we hit that was probably a ladder attack right there, and it looks like we hit a freeze. What's it called? Oh my goodness, I'm blanking on it. Somebody help me. It's been a few months since we've had to do this. Not a freeze, a halt, just a trading halt. So So usually when that happens, one of two things is going to happen right now after it gets unfrozen. It's either just going to shoot back up, or there'll be another ladder attack and it'll send it even lower. So unfortunately, I'm not helping the cause by having my stop loss triggered, but I learned that lesson the hard way with GameStop. I'm doing a stop loss right now, so I'm going to keep it like that, and I'll still have 61 shares, but yeah, those 40 are gonna sell. So for those of you who have not subscribed, please do so. Really appreciate it. Gas fees vary based on platform. No, I don't think so, because I've traded it on Uniswap. I've bought crypto on Uniswap. Gas fees are high. I've bought Ethereum-based crypto on Trust Wallet, or exchanged from Ethereum to other cryptos on Trust Wallet, and the gas fees are still really high. So maybe they vary a little bit, but they probably don't vary all that much. All right, where are we going after this suspension? If we go lower, my stop, I don't want to sell. I absolutely don't want to sell. But I'm not removing that stop loss for the 40 cryptos. Yes, yes. I see your comment, M. A lot must go right. I am very excited about the potential of it being deflationary. Noxy, what's up? You know, I mean, are we really complaining that GameStop is at $266 right now? GameStop's doing very well, especially over the last week. So, not been following it. Alright, a week ago, GameStop was where? Alright, 232. How about the last month? I think 2 weeks ago. Yeah, May 20th, it was at 170. Now it's at 266. I know that's not sexy enough for those of us who have been in on GameStop, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Is this still refreshing? Seems like Bitcoin has been just at the same exact price. Yeah. All right, 37,817. Oh, yeah, I guess so. Oh, wait, that's a 12-hour chart. Let me go back to a 5-minute chart. Well, got rejected again at that $38,000 sell wall. We'll break through that eventually, soon enough. All right, it's not a complaint. It's just that we normally lead the pack. Yeah, Noxy, I made a comment about that earlier. It seems like AMC is leading the pack right now, which is kind of frustrating, but that's just more like my heart, you know. GameStop is my first love, and to see GameStop benefiting from AMC and not the reverse, I'm like, dude, I'm not okay with this. So, all right, trading should get unsuspended sometime soon. See if Carlos has posted anything new. Is anyone here from the old streams the only one? You're not the only one. M is here. M's an OG. Sullivan. I saw Sullivan in here. I do miss those are some fun days and stressful. Lalo, I see Lalo. All right, we're back on, moving up. Let's see what happens here. Please don't trigger my stop loss, please. Ride or die. Yep. Come on. GA, all right. Yeah. My TikTok, man, TikTok's crazy. My TikTok blew up over the last month or so. What do we got? 66.3 thousand followers. I wish YouTube was as easy as TikTok was to gain a following, but I'll take it. All right, moving in the right direction. That's funny. Slowly but surely. You know, BitBoy Crypto, like in January of 2020, had 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and now he's over 1 million. So it's just funny how things grow like that. At this point, do you see this as some hedge fund FUD to try to draw us out for out of GME for AMC? No. That sounds like a little bit too much of a conspiracy for me. Especially because GME and AMC are pretty correlated with how things go. So I don't think that would be a good idea if a hedge fund tried to do that. Thank you, GA. Hold XLM dipped hard. Let me check out XLM here. I mean, the answer is absolutely. I think we're generally going to be moving on upward. You know what I'm wondering with AMC right now? So $73 was the highest priced option, which means if we get to $73, there's going to be a gamma squeeze. And so I'm wondering if that was what just happened, where it went down to $59 like that was an attempt to prevent the $73, and we'll go higher. Look at this. It's a big cup. Here's what I'm seeing with XLM. Big cup. Maybe we'll form a handle pattern and we'll shoot higher. XLM would have passed $1 if it wasn't for all that Bitcoin, Elon Musk, and China FUD. I'm convinced of it. So I would say hold. We will see over $1 for XLM this cycle. Do you think AMC can hit a $500? You know, I have shares, but I haven't really been paying attention. To what people are saying for AMC. That would be great. I would have $50,000 in AMC, something like that. Best way to grow this is for lives with other influencers. Good to know. Yeah, I'm a little too lazy or so to reach out. I don't want to say lazy, but I'm not too excited about doing the work to reach out to other people. I do go live on TikTok with other people, and that's a lot of fun. So come on, 73. I really want to see 73. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I just liked my own video. You can too. Still feel good about ETH 10K this year. I do, yeah. I think we're going to go to 15,000. Well, maybe not this year. Let me correct myself. Maybe not this year, but this cycle. So if the bull market ends in like May of 2022, which I think is possible, that it could go as far out as then yes, I do believe we will see 10K ETH and higher this cycle. So GA, yes, that's within the realm of possibility. Yeah. So somebody turned me on to this. I'm gonna look up this guy who I follow on Twitter. Matt Bitcoin. I like him. Not a huge guy on Twitter, but his technical analysis is really good. Here's the burrito. Okay, yes. Here's the thing about Bitcoin that we just don't have a ton of information because Bitcoin goes off of these 4-year halving cycles. And so if you look at the first cycle, the 2013 cycle, or the 2013 peak, what you'll see is that the price of Bitcoin shot up by X amount. I want to say, like, what was it? 40x from its previous high in 2011. And so that kind of set a certain standard. A lot of people were expecting another 40x from 2013 to 2017, but instead it was a 20x. And it went longer. So the first cycle, the 2013 cycle, was short and dramatic. The 2017 cycle was a little bit longer, still very dramatic, but not as dramatic as the 2013 cycle. And so there are some theories going around that what's going to happen, and I fully believe in this. The theories that are going around, what's going to happen is that each cycle is going to be less dramatic, and it's going to be longer. So that would put, if this cycle was lengthened by as much as the 2017 cycle was from 2013, then that would put us in May of 2022. I don't think that that this cycle is going to end in May of 2022, but I think it is within the realm of possibility. So that's where I have May of 2022 as the possible target for Bitcoin to reach its peak. He talks about it. This guy Matt Bitcoin talks about it. It's not the most brilliant thing. It's just, he did some simple math, but yeah, it's possible. I'm thinking more like November or December. If this was the exact same length of time as the previous cycle, it would end in like September or October, which I used to think, but I don't think anymore, that this bull run will end in September or October. So Matt Bitcoin, you can see his information there. He tweets a lot. Come on, AMC. Come on, GameStop. Burrito. 271 for GameStop. Okay. Today's high was what? 285. All right, GA, you're welcome. Hey, Mark. What's up? It's so great seeing all these familiar faces. Familiar faces. Yeah, I don't see your face, but you see mine. Familiar names. Long time. Paying attention to AMC today since it's stealing the show. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Noxy, I am totally with you on that. 575 million volume. That's insane. Maybe it'll get up to 1 billion today. That would be crazy. Probably not. But let's see. GameStop's volume. Did I see 14 million? 11 million is GameStop's volume. Wow. That is so low. Hey, Robert Willis. What's up? I think we had 80 million on our Gamma. Maybe. So, yeah. If AMC were to get up to $73, we'd see another Gamma squeeze. And it would be awesome. We'd see a huge volume spike there. Oh, you're talking about GameStop. So GameStop, the highest I saw was like 100 million once. So, hey, I'm just gonna get a quick snack real quick. I'll be back in literally 2 minutes. So don't go nowhere. That's a great observation, Noxie. Yeah, totally agree. All right, this is the new burrito. Pepperidge Farm cookie. Come on, Bitcoin. Break through that resistance, please. All right, Noxie. My first love is crypto. I was talking about stocks. I was mostly talking about GameStop. GameStop was kind of not doing a whole lot. My lives were doing well only in January. Before that, after that, my lives didn't do so well. I mean, even now, it's like, oh man, I think I'm gonna trigger a stop loss here. So, I don't know. I love crypto. That's why I switched. All right, what's happening? Is the squeeze happening? Why all the crypto tied in? This is now a crypto channel, and but this channel used to be called the Stonk Report. I think we got another halt here. This channel used to be called the Stonk Report, mostly focused on GameStop. And so now that I'm seeing AMC doing what it's doing today, just wanted to hop on the live stream and do both. Have some crypto charts up in AMC and then switch to GameStop every now and then. GameStop at 265. So yeah. ETH looking great. Bitcoin dominance falling. Yeah, falling nicely. Yeah, so ETH is looking strong. All right, GA, what altcoins do you think maybe the most profitable this year? Let me think. So there's so many really good options. I'm just gonna name a few and do your own research on those. Got in earlier with Doge. Yeah, I mean, I got some Doge too. Chainlink, Theta, Uniswap, Matic, Maker, XRP, XLM, Cardano, Polkadot, VeChain, Solana, Kusama. There's so many. It's so hard for me to say which is my favorite for short-term gains. Is it too late for AMC? I don't know. There are people saying this isn't the squeeze. So maybe by a little bit, but just it's got to be money that you can't lose. That you can't you can afford to lose. But man, my number one rule is don't chase green candles. Yeah, too many choices. Yep. All right, Noxie, XRP. Yeah, I'm very bullish on XRP. I think they've been suppressed by the SEC suit, and so I would recommend absolutely holding on to it, and then waiting to see the suit end. $10 AMC bought at $5. Should I sell 5 of them? It's always good to take some profits. Yeah. But I don't know about 5. I mean, all right, I have a stop loss triggered for 40 shares. I have 101 on Robinhood here. So, is the juice worth the squeeze? For me, the juice is the action. Any movie? Anyone know that movie? For me, the juice is the action. For me, the action is the juice. That's what it is. The way we're holding GME all the way through that squeeze, didn't sell a single share. Yeah. Which altcoins are good for long-term holds? There are 5 that I will be holding long-term. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Do you put sell orders in when you anticipate a gamma squeeze like this? Trailing stop, sure. You know, do some kind of stop loss, because it seems like there's a big fight here about not getting us up to $73, and we have I think it's the fourth trading halt of the day. So yeah, definitely look into HBAR. So who knows who's going to win that? But like, I've seen this with GameStop, and I have seen that unfortunately the bad guys won at times when stuff like this happened. So did I sell my AMC? You sold 5% at 52, another 5 at 71. That's a great price. I have not sold any of it, but I'm very, very close to a stop loss getting triggered. I'm going to be selling 40 of my shares here if I haven't already. So ETH and Bitcoin are for sure the best to go long on. Absolutely, yeah. All right, trading is back on. Moving back up. I really hope I didn't sell those shares. Stop loss. I'm going to check it out real quick on my phone. I sold them. No regrets. Let's see how much I sold them for. $58.09. That was the price. Alright, I have 61 shares left of AMC. I guess I shouldn't complain too much. I bought those under $10. What am I looking at on the left? Oh, that's the price of AMC. Sorry, that watermark thing is there. I keep trying to not block it. Do you recommend any other crypto influencers to follow? Yeah, Benjamin Cohen. Benjamin Cohen, definitely him. BitBoy, he's okay. You know, he has his things, but yeah, the price on the left is live. Yep. All right. I am going to, for the rest of my day, I have another 4 hours of creative content that I can make. I'm going to hop off this live stream and make another TikTok and then go live on TikTok. World War Bitcoin on TikTok. Follow me there. Follow me on Twitter. WWBitcoin. The stuff that I tweet there, you know, even the stuff that I retweet is worth it, I believe. So where are you watching that ticker? That's on Robinhood. This app is called BlueStacks. It's an app where you can watch, like, you can use mobile apps on your computer. Would you buy back in at AMC now? I mean, personally, I wouldn't. With the stop loss, I'm just gonna let the rest of my shares ride. So, see you later, Robbie. See you later, all. Have a good rest of your day.